how to be accurate in dream interpretation. Number one, you see, there is a 3-realm category. I'm saying this is my illustration. There is a 3-realm category. There is a realm of revelation. Then the second realm is a realm of interpretation. Then the third realm is a realm of implementation. It's revelation, interpretation, implementation. Many of us receive revelations, but sometimes we miss it in interpretation. Obviously, when you miss interpretation, you will implement error, because your interpretation is error. So it will be like there is no revelation, because the fruitfulness of that revelation is directly proportional to the interpretation, the capacity of your interpretation. And the capacity of your interpretation will affect the capacity of your implementation and the fruition, the fruitfulness of your implementation. So now a revelation can be a dream. Number one, so a revelation can be a dream. That dream requires interpretation. And after you have interpreted that dream, that revelation, it will require implementation. Many of us, we jump interpretation straight to implementation. We implement dreams, visions. Meanwhile, we don't pass through the strainer called interpretation. We miss interpretation and jump immediately to implementation. That is the era of let me not just say our generation, of the prophet, especially the prophetic people, because majority of the speakings of God to prophetic people are dreams. Are we together? So if you miss interpretation, your implementation will be erroneous. That's why a revelation can be a vision, can be an open vision, can be the visions of the night, can be a dream, can be a trance. That's revelation. Then that revelation, that dream requires interpretation. After you have found an interpretation, then it requires implementation. So that's why wise men usually they wait for implementation. No, they interpret, because sometimes interpretation takes time. That's why the wisest man in the Bible, Daniel, he asked the king, if you can give us time, we will come with an interpretation. Because the entire Babylon and the magicians, that the trusted magicians, they said, no one can reveal this thing, this stuff. It is among the gods. So this man Daniel knew that I have a God who revealeth secrets. I will run to the secret place for interpretation. And it took time. Look at that. The interpretation took time. Sometimes the interpretation takes time. So taking time to interpret is not, you are not a failure. No, take time to interpret things. Because if you don't take time to interpret things, it will affect your implementation. I'm telling you, many people are implementing what was not properly interpreted. So because a dream, a revelation requires interpretation. After the interpretation requires implementation. That's why Pharaoh, he dreamt and he was looking for an interpreter, because he knows that that dream requires an interpretation. And for me to implement whatever interpretation of that dream, it will require accurate interpretation, and that accurate interpretation will determine the accurate implementation. And and that accurate implementation will determine the fruitfulness and the fruition that will benefit. So we benefit from implementation that has been properly interpreted. Are we together?